And I'm J.J. Clark. Now, these are real Canadians out braving the cold and the wind, getting ready for the judging for Saturday's ice sculptures here at Majors Hill Park. There's going to be a little bit of a winterlude warm-up, at least for one day tomorrow, when we'll get a little bit of light snow, but then we'll return to these cold conditions. I'll be back to have a look at your 5-day forecast in detail in just a few minutes. Max.
And tonight we find him among the sculptures and the statues, standing tall.
Hardest working people in show business in the Ottawa area for the next couple of nights, Max, because they're braving the elements, getting ready. They started the group here at Majors Hill Park, and some of the sculptures, again, are absolutely beautiful. They started last weekend, and the judging is coming up this weekend, so a lot of them are burning the midnight oil, making sure everything's perfect.
And these are the ones that we would have normally seen on Dow's Lake.
Absolutely. And you'll be happy to know, those of you who like to come out and look at the snow sculptures, that not much has changed from Dow's Lake. We still have pretty much the same number of snow sculptures, and I can tell you the wind blows across Majors Hill Park just the same way it does in Dow's Lake, so it's pretty cold here tonight and will remain that way for the next little while. A couple of other winterlude notes we should point out is that coming up for this weekend, the Fantasy on Ice goes from Rideau Hall, where it was last weekend, back to its normal spot, and that's at 5th Avenue. And hey, if you happen to be on the canal doing a little bit of skating and you see the collection boxes, if you're so inclined, you could drop in $1 or $2. They've already raised $14,000 in the canal donation boxes since the skating season began in the new year. Well, it certainly is crisping up again tonight. Our present temperature here in Ottawa is minus 15 degrees. The winds are coming at us out of the west, and they're gusting still at times up to 30 kilometers per hour. And our wind chill right now, minus 29. So it's a crisp night. There is going to be a little bit of a warm-up, a winterlude warm-up coming your way for tomorrow. We'll put the satellite picture into motion and show you that after daytime highs today of minus 13 to minus 15 degrees across the region, I think tomorrow we're going to pick up a trough. When you think about retiring tonight, you'll just have a couple of cloudy periods. Should be able to see the moon this evening, and the overnight low will drop down to about minus 20 degrees. The winds will be with us, gusting to about 15 kilometers per hour. Wake up tomorrow morning.